Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my TrueWants Need bag and I've had it since Friday and today is Monday and it's been killing me because I really wanted to open it and use it over the weekend because I already know what's in here. But I was good and I refrained and I'm going to open it with you guys on the camera. But for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing down below if you like unboxing videos because that's what I do on my channel. And to all my regular viewers, thank you and welcome back. Now, I have a Christmas giveaway going on also right now. If you are interested, I have a whole bunch of makeup and goodies in that box. It's going to run until December 12th, 2020. I will leave the link right up here or I will leave it in the description box and you can go enter for that giveaway until December 12th, 2020. Okay, so like I said, it's been a crazy weekend. I was super busy. We just got done with Thanksgiving. Then I had to start doing my Christmas decorations. So if I have glitter in my hair or anything, I'm still like in the process. One more day, hopefully, and it will be over. And I will have all this mess cleaned up and I can have my decorations complete. But let's get into the TrueWants Need bag from a fellow YouTuber. And most of you guys probably already know her. She has way more subscribers than I do. But she started her own business with her brother. And the name of the website is called Improving Lifestyles. And this is the TrueWants Need bag. And this is volume 2. I missed out on the first one, but after I saw all the fabulous items that everybody was getting in the first one, I had to hop in on this one. So I already know what the main item is. The main items, she will tell you what the main item is. And then I've been watching other people unbox it over the weekend. And it's been killing me not to open this. And I'm so excited. So, did I tell you the price on this? Okay, this one was $21.99. Now her first bag was $18.99 and she had a pashmina scarf in that one. So I will leave the link to her website, her channel right up here, and her website in the description box. Everything will be down there with all the information. And go check out her channel and she can give you more better detailed information than me. And we're gonna save the best for last and we're gonna start off with some of the smaller items first. And first off, I love how this is the Naked Bee hand and body lotion and how she put this in a baggie. Because that way, in case any accidents happen, you don't have to worry about it getting on anything. And this is called the Naked Bee, all the good stuff and none of the bad. Moisturizing hand and body lotion. And this says certified organic aloe vera and sunflower oil. Helps to restore and promote healthy skin. And we definitely need all the help we can get with all these hand sanitizers, right? I don't know about you guys, but my hands, whoo, yeah. They definitely dry up from all these hand sanitizers. But let me go ahead. I want to see how this smells. That's the way it looks. It has a very light smell, if any at all. I really don't smell anything. Oh wait, no, I can smell it. It's called Orange Blossoms. I just saw it at the bottom of the jar. And when I started, at first when I smelled it, I didn't smell it. But as I start rubbing it in, I can smell a slight orange smell. So it's very slight and mild and not overpowering. And then the second item out is a barrette, and I have been watching everybody else and everybody gets a little different piece of jewelry and I was excited to see what I get, and this one is absolutely beautiful. This would be great to wear on Christmas Eve or on Christmas Day, and I love the little pearls. So she has it on her business card. And here is the business card with all the information if you guys want to go check out her website. And here is the barrette. Super cute and pretty. Awesome. All right, here is her TrueWants channel. Like I said, I will leave the link down below. And I also got a nail polish, and this is a Deborah Lippmann, and this looks like a lovely shade. I'm gonna say that is like a gray color. It's called Secret Love Song. Well, now I got lotion and I can't open it. Well, we know the lotion works, but it looks like a lovely gray color. I will definitely use that. Okay, guys, so here comes the main baby that's in here. And I said earlier, this killed me. I received this package on Friday, and today is Monday, and I had to go shopping and not open this, and I really wanted to. Oh, yes, I got the burgundy one, which is the one I wanted, one of my favorite colors of all times. But yeah, she has them available in 3 different colors, so I guess it depends on when you order it. But this looks absolutely gorgeous. Look, this is genuine leather. It is so soft. Now, I am recording on my iPhone, but she said your phone can fit in here. It has easy pocket right here, a zipper pocket. Look at that. It has a place for all your cards. It has 2 more. Let me try to like shift this way. It has 2 more pockets right here, and then a big internal pocket also with burgundy lining on the inside. So let me undo this and see the strap. It is an adjustable strap also. So I am super happy with this, and I'm so glad I got the burgundy. Okay, I'm just gonna guess on where I should adjust it. I still have plenty more if I need to readjust it, but I'm gonna try to stand up and show you the way it looks. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go down a little bit further, but I hope that's picking up. Maybe it is, maybe it's not, but it's a lovely crossbody purse. Yeah, I definitely have to adjust it a little bit lower. It is definitely still too short, but you can definitely adjust it to any length you want. So, remember, I have my Christmas giveaway. Oh, that's better. That's probably how I'll do it. If this is picking up, I hope so. But remember, I have my Christmas giveaway going on till December 12th, 2020. Definitely click on the link down below or click up here. I will leave TrueWants website information down below and her Improving Lifestyle website down below also with all the information. I'm very happy and pleased and can't wait to see what she comes out with for volume 3. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys are having a lovely week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.